Samsung has revealed that its next Unpacked event will be held at the end of July in South Korea, when the Galaxy Watch 6 and next-generation foldable phones will be unveiled. In keeping with this, a recent FCC filing revealed the standard range of connection for Samsung Galaxy Watches, as well as an unmodified charging specification. As with prior filings, the Galaxy Watch 6 will be the most recent model on the market, with the model numbers SM930 and SM940, which are most likely the equivalent of the regular and Pro variants of these smartwatches. Additionally, the SM935 and SM945 variations are thought to be larger versions or ones with larger display screens. In addition to the standard connection choices, such as Wi-Fi A/B/G/N, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC, the or 900 wireless charger model number was mentioned. This charger is the same one that came with the Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro review. As a result, it's realistic to expect the next Galaxy Watch 6 series to use the same magnetic wireless charging capability of 10 watts, despite the fact that the charging wattage remains constant. It's worth mentioning that 10 watts on a wristwatch is equal to a rapid charging rate on smartphones. In our review of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, we discovered that the battery can charge to 45% in only 30 minutes. Due to the reduced battery capacity of the normal Galaxy Watch 5, this is somewhat quicker. According to previous rumors, Samsung intends to use the newest Exynos W980 CPU in the Galaxy Watch 6. Because of the more efficient 5nm production process, the new chip is expected to deliver a minor speed improvement, which might possibly improve the battery life of the next watches. Furthermore, the rotating bezel may be reintroduced in the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro or Classic Edition. Is rapid charging on smartwatches a feature you look for before purchasing? What charging grade do you believe is required for smart wearables? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.